Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kadderu, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. Children, today we are going to start with chapter 11, speed, distance and time. So children, you are very familiar with the words speed, distance, isn't it? So whenever you are moving from one place to another, you will see many vehicles going side by you, and you may say some vehicles are moving faster or slower. So this means that the vehicle is moving fast at a. If your teacher asks you how much distance or from how far you come from your house to school, you say it is around 1 kilometer, half kilometer or walkable distance. So it means you are defining the distance here. Or you will also say my house is 5 minutes far from the school, my house is 10 minutes far from the school. So this speed, distance and time, all these terms we are using in our day-to-day life. So now let us see in this chapter how to find speed, distance and time by solving few examples from the textbook. So children, let us begin with the chapter. Children, we define speed as distance traveled or covered per unit time. That is, for 1 kilometer how much distance we are traveling or covering. Based on that we can find the speed of the given vehicle. So we can formulate speed as distance traveled upon time taken, that is S is equals to D upon T. Now like every other quantities, they have some measure. Like if you want to purchase some liquid, it is measured in liter. If you are going in for some distance, then you say it is kilometers, isn't it? Similarly, speed is also having some measurement. The unit of measurement of speed can be given as kilometers per hour or meters per second. So children, speed, distance, how will we measure distance? That is based on kilometers or meters, isn't it? Time taken, T. So time, how will you measure? It is in terms of hour or in terms of minutes and seconds, isn't it? So in general we can give the unit of speed as kilometers per hour or meters per second. So this is the unit for speed. Now let us solve or see how to find the speed of a given car. So I will take one example. A car travels 120 kilometers in 2 hours. So we have to find the speed of this. So what is the formula for speed? Distance traveled upon time taken. So speed, write the formula. Speed is equals to distance traveled upon time taken. First see the unit, whether they are in same or no. Kilometers per hour, or it should be in meters per second. As it is same, so distance is 120 and time is T2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 and this 0 as it is. So speed is equals to 60. What is the unit? Kilometers per hour. This is how we are going to find. Now next comes, after speed we are going to find average speed. So what is average speed? It is the distance traveled upon the total time. So average speed is equals to total distance, how much you are covering in unit time, that is total time. So this is the formula to find the average speed. Example, here we have an example. A deluxe bus covers a distance of 324 kilometers between New Delhi and Jaipur in 6 hours. Find its average speed. So average speed this one is Formula is total distance covered upon total time taken. So how much distance it is covering? 324, and the time taken is 6 hours. So when you divide 324 by 6, you get 6 ones are 6, 6 5s are 30, 2 remainder. 6 how much are 24? 6 4s are 24. So your answer will be 54 kilometers per hour. So this is how we are going to find speed and average speed. We have another example. Find the speed and average speed of a train which leaves New Delhi at 8 pm and reaches Jammu next day at 8 am. The distance between the two stations is 648 kilometers and the total time for stoppage is 2 hours between these stations. Now we have to find speed as well as average speed. So first let us find what is the time taken. So write time taken is equals to how much? From night 8 pm to morning 8 am. It means totally 12 hours it is taking. So time taken is 12 hours, and in between they have stopped 2 hours. So right stoppage is how much? 2 hours. So in between these 12 hours they are stopping 2 hours. So actual what is the time taken now? So actual time taken will be 12 minus 2, because this was the time taken, but in between 2 hours they had stopped. So we have to exclude this 2 hours. So 12 minus 2, it is 10 hours. Now find speed. What is the formula, children, for speed? Speed is equals to distance travelled upon time taken. Write it in full form. Now distance is how much? It is 648 kilometers and time taken is 10 hours. So 10 ones are 10, 10 6 are 60, 4 is remainder, it becomes 48. 10 4s are 40, 8 will remain, take point, give 0, it becomes 80. So 10 8s are 80. So what is the speed? 64.8 kilometers per hour. So whenever you are writing the answer, you have to always write the unit. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now next, this is speed, but you want to also find average speed. So what is the formula for average speed? It is total distance travelled upon total time taken. So what is the total distance travelled? It was 648 kilometers and total time taken was how much? 12 hours. So divide it by 12. Now 12 ones are 12. 12 how much are 64? 12 5s are 60. 4 remainder. 12 4s are 48. So the answer is 54 kilometers per hour. Is it understood, children, how to solve? Okay.